Despite how high quality your hair extensions are, your hair will be drier or weaker if you don't know how to take good care of your hair. But I have good news for you. It's not too difficult to keep hair extensions soft. Just follow the tips below. Your hair extensions will be soft over the years. I'm Justin, sales manager of Hair Factory, and we will start in the next few seconds. How to keep hair extensions soft? The first thing is trying more hair extension conditioner. The main effect of hair conditioner is to make your hair both shiny and soft. So, if you want to keep your hair extensions soft, use hair conditioner regularly. Conditioner should be used every time you wash your hair extensions. Normally, we should use conditioner for hair extension 2 to 3 times a week. Do not use too much conditioner for your hair. That will cause redundancies and waste. Take a small amount, just enough for the hair conditioner, to have the most effect on your hair extensions. After washing your hair, gently squeeze the hair extension to get rid of the dripping water. Take an appropriate amount of conditioner. Massage evenly from the head to the root of the hair extension. Continue to gently massage for 4 to 5 minutes for the conditioner to absorb the excess shampoo. Then rinse your hair extension under gently running water. Last but not least, buying high quality hair extension is also a good way to keep your hair extensions soft. To avoid having to spend too much time on keeping your hair extensions soft, why don't we choose buy high quality hair at first place? Choosing quality hair extension will save you a lot of steps. A high quality hair extension will not require you to take care of it too much, and this will save you a lot of time on keeping your hair extensions soft. And that is all you need to know about how to keep your hair extensions soft in an easy way. If you have any question, feel free to comment below this video. I'm Justin, the manager of Hair Factory, and I will be back for more videos on Hair Factory Best Vietnamese YouTube channel. Thank you and see you again.